Welcome! When you start working with the Thela web software, the first thing to do is the creation of the company network. From the general menu, select Settings, then Network. Soon after the registration of your company, you can create links with other firms or persons by the left side menu. You will populate your company network and you will be able to collaborate and work with the other Thela's users. You can establish different kinds of links with the firms to identify them as partners, all of those companies with which you can create and share audit and assessment questionnaires, results and time schedules of investigation planning. Certification bodies that you can hire in your supplier's audit process. Analysis laboratories that you can involve in case of chemical analysis requests. Subsidiary companies, for example, branches, business unit and departments to which you can assign inner audit and self-assessment questionnaires. Buyers and brands that can assign to your company self-assessment and audit checklists. Suppliers to whom you can assign audit and assessment questionnaires. The process of link creation is always the same and it could be of two different kinds. You can make a simple research among the companies already registered in Thela and send a link request. Or you can invite a company to register in Thela, assigning it a link with your company. To understand better, we can make an example. The first thing you can do to create a link with one of your suppliers is search for him among the already registered company in the network. Move the switch on Find in the Cleveria network and type the name of the company in the research field, or use the advanced research. Once you have found the company you were looking for, select it and send a link request to the opposite section. Click on On and you will send the link request to the company. Now, save and accept Cleveria's terms and conditions. When the company has accepted your link request, you will be able to start working with it. If it is a supplier, you can assign to it self-assessment or audit. To verify the state of your request, you can use the filters that allow you to simply check with which companies you have an active link or a pending one. If you want to establish a link with a company that is not registered in Thela yet, you can invite it to sign up clicking on Create New Push button. In the company profile page, you can write in all the data of the company you want to invite in Thela, such as company name, tax or fiscal code, and address to allow the geolocation. All of this data will be updated by the company itself. Finally, type the email address of the person who will be responsible for the registration. By clicking on the Save button, you will send an email with a company PIN necessary for the registration. Once you have sent the email, you can decide to send immediately the link request so that the fresh registered company will automatically accept the link and start working with your company. Accept terms and conditions of Cleveria. In the main supplier page, this company will appear among those in pending acceptance and not yet administered until the invitation will be accepted. In the network, you can also create links with the person who work or collaborate with your company, assigning to them accounts and roles. To create a link with one of your cooperators, the procedure is the same seen for the companies. You can search for them in the Cleveria network or invite them to register. In the same moment you make a link request or even later, you can assign to these cooperators different accounts and roles to activate the functionalities that are necessary to work for your company. We can make an example. Select one of your cooperators and click on Open. You will see the profile of your link with this cooperator. In this case, active. You can assign to him an account among those already bought. Every kind of account, Prime, Extra, Standard, and Basic, includes the possibility to activate different functionalities to the cooperator and to assign to him different roles. For example, with a Prime account, you can activate to your cooperator all the roles provided in Thela, or only a few, selecting them from the list. For some roles, you can activate the read-only modality. As soon as the network is created, you can start working with Thela. Thank you and enjoy Thela.